Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to talk about the documents that are required for our Citibank Singapore credit card application. So if you want to go ahead and apply for the Singapore Bank's credit card and you're not sure about what sort of documents are required, so for that case what you can do is just go ahead and open up a browser and type in Citibank Singapore credit card. You could go ahead and press the first link that appears, that is apply and get something, and next thing you could see is a list of credit card that you could go ahead and apply for it. In order to understand documents that you require, you could press the apply now button, and here you could go ahead and read out the criteria. What are the things that you require? So click the yes button if so, or else what you can do is just go ahead and press the no button, and here you'll be able to see this sort of page. So click on apply with SingPass, and you could see that you'll have to go ahead and scan the QR code, all that. So basically you'll be requiring your credit card, a copy of your applicant's NRIC, and a copy of their matric calculation card, and the applicant is under 821, a copy of their parent or guardian's NRIC and their signature on the application form as well. And these are some of the documents that you'll be required while applying for the credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.